him taking advantage of landing on the grass there. Because most of the runways during the Spitfire time before were all over fields. What you did was point the thing in the direction in which the wind was coming from, and off you went, and that's the same way you landed.
And you're fresh from the air show in Scone, where you single-handedly commentated that. Big air show, go well?
It did, it went very well. We had 13 aircraft in the Balbo. We had 4 Mustangs, 4 P-40s, 2 Spits, of course, here, Avenger, and a Hudson. And that's an aeroplane that I would love to see over here at some stage.
Yes.
Because you guys use them to great advantage.
I believe there's one not far from here, but it's not airworthy.
No, and that's a pretty famous aeroplane.
P-51, look at that on this seal here, folks, on runway 11.
The Cadillac of the skies.
Thrust coming out of the oil cooler underneath.
Yep, that was one of the innovations that they did, as well as the laminar flow wing. They used what's called the Meredith effect.
That's right.
Where the air went forward. Now, coming in from our right, we have the classic jets. Now they really